Welcome to day 1 of radiation treatment. I am on my way to the hospital. Today has been a crazy day. So I go to physical therapy 3 times a week. It helps with my arm. It helps with, they give me lymphatic massage. They move the fluid all through my arms and the rest of my body. They see how much I can stretch my arm to my ear, which is crucial for radiation. Well, I went this morning like any other time, and they gave me bad news in terms of I can't go and have PT if I'm getting radiation because the skin's gonna be sore. Skin's gonna be sore, it's gonna be red, all these terrible things, and I need a doctor to clear me and get permission to do physical therapy again. So what she says is normally you go through all your rounds, whether it's 33 rounds or whatever, your skin has to heal, and then you get permission from your doctor to go. So wasn't happy to receive that news today, but I am en route to the hospital now. I will be documenting this journey as I do everything else. I will try to show you guys as much as I can, as much as they will allow me to bring my phone in the room. I'm sure they will. Otherwise, I'm just gonna give them hell. I'm gonna do it anyway. I am so sorry that I was not able to update you with how first day of radiation went because it was crazy. So this hospital that I get my radiation at, it's not my primary hospital. I didn't get my chemo there. I have had a couple scans there. Not a very big fan of this hospital. So this hospital, well, normally 30-year-olds don't get cancer. Normal patients are 80 or 90 years old, and I guess they forget about their appointments and they run late. Well, this hospital likes to call you if you're a minute late. So I was walking in the hospital and they called me because I was a minute and a half late and wanted to know where I was. And I was about, well, actually, I lost my shit. Officially lost my shit. First time they did that, I was gonna let it go. Second time, no. I feel like it's so important to speak up because I feel so often well, to be honest, I'm very mindful of people's feelings and everything, but a lot of people aren't mindful of your feelings. And I'm known to let stuff go, but I have 2 first names, thanks to my husband. So the first thing that they did that pissed me off was they called me Thomas on the phone. If you look at my, first of all, they met me. If you look at my chart, you can blatantly see that I'm a 30-year-old woman with breast cancer. So don't call me Thomas. Thomas is not my name, and you know me, you met me, you know my name isn't Thomas, and I go by Kelly. Secondly, you don't call someone when they're a minute late. I could see 5-10 minutes late, but a minute late seems a bit excessive. Kelly before cancer would have just shut her mouth, but Kelly with cancer is gonna say something and you're gonna knock the shit off. So I did that yesterday. Now they know not to, don't do that to me. And you know, frankly, don't do that to anybody else. That's not cool. Nobody likes that. And so yeah, but other than that, first radiation went well. Was expecting it to go well because there's not going to be much pain or anything. You're not going to really, you know, you're not going to get burned too bad. It's only your first day. So today is day number 2 on my way, and gonna show up a little bit earlier so they don't call me, but to be honest with you, I don't think they're going to call me again. And just out of spite, I just totally want to show up late just to see if they do call me. But. So, yes, and I was like so upset yesterday because my physical therapist said that I couldn't go to her while I was in radiation. That upset me because my arms are still screwed up. And I like going to PT, and they help me with my arms and everything, and they give me lymphatic massage. But my doctor is allowing me to continue PT as long as I can take it. So I will be the deciding factor in this, which is nice to actually have some control in this whole cancer journey. But once the skin starts getting tight and uncomfortable and sore, we gotta pump the brakes on the PT. But I'm okay with that. You know, we just started radiation, so maybe have 2 weeks left of PT, and then that'll be it. And then I heal, and then we'll go back to it. It is day 3 of radiation. Treatment 3 already. Everything is going pretty well. I got permission to go back to PT, so I went to PT today. We did some exercises. My physical therapist said that my arm seems really good and strong. So going to treatment number 3 today. Haven't noticed any burning or anything yet. Fingers crossed. I'm using the lotions. I still need to go out and get Aquaphor. Everyone keeps recommending me to just lather up with Aquaphor after my treatment, so I will definitely do that because I do not want to burn. I have a very fair skin tone and not about that burning life. So fingers crossed, we finish another day. No problems, no issues. Today is radiation number 4. It is kind of going fast. So after my treatment yesterday, I looked in the mirror and it looked like my chest was starting to get red a little bit. I went home and I went out and bought some Aquaphor. And then I'm being told that I should put like Aquaphor all over as soon as the treatment's done. It's very important not to put it on before and 4 hours before, or like you can't put anything on because you'll actually burn more if you put something on before your treatment or 4 hours, within the 4 hours of getting your treatment. Today is an early day. I don't know if it looks brighter in this video. Today's treatment is at 10 a.m. and I've been going at 3:30 all week because I have to go to my other hospital, my beloved hospital, Monmouth Medical Center, today at 4 o'clock. So had to move up the radiation today. Of course, I forgot to bring my Aquaphor with me because I'm always running out of the house like a crazy person. So as soon as I finish, I'm gonna run home, throw it on me, maybe take a shower, and then throw some more on. So let's do number 4. On my way to radiation number 5, and I got company.
Hello.
My hubby. Skin is still doing very well. Been using the Aquaphor and Skin Soother, which I actually met them through Instagram. We want to make sure the skin stays nice and healthy and not burnt and hopefully not too tight. Yeah, I'm not wearing a wig today. I'm actually kind of digging the look. I feel like I